Let's begin with the past indefinite tense. The affirmative sentence is, I played games. In the negative form, we say, I did not play games. And in the interrogative form, we ask, did I play games? This tense is used for actions that were completed in the past without mentioning the exact time. Now let's move on to the past continuous tense. The affirmative sentence is, I was playing games. The negative becomes, I was not playing games. And the interrogative is, was I playing games? We use this tense to describe actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. Next is the past perfect tense. In the affirmative form, we say, I had played games. In the negative, I had not played games. And in the interrogative, had I played games? This tense is used to talk about an action that was completed before another past action. Now comes the past perfect continuous tense. The affirmative sentence is, I had been playing games. The negative is, I had not been playing games. And the interrogative is, had I been playing games? This tense shows that the action was going on for some time in the past before another past event. Let's talk about the present indefinite tense. The affirmative sentence is, I play games. The negative is, I do not play games. And the interrogative becomes, do I play games? This tense is used for habitual actions or general truths. Now we have the present continuous tense. The affirmative is, I am playing games. The negative becomes, I am not playing games. And the interrogative is, am I playing games? This tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now. Next is the present perfect tense. The affirmative sentence is, I have played games. The negative is, I have not played games. And the interrogative form is, have I played games? This tense is used to show actions that have just been completed or whose time is not specified but have relevance to the present. Let's look at the present perfect continuous tense. The affirmative form is, I have been playing games. The negative becomes, I have not been playing games. And the interrogative is, have I been playing games? This tense is used to show actions that started in the past and are still continuing or were recently stopped. Moving on to the future indefinite tense. The affirmative sentence is, I will play games. The negative is, I will not play games. And the interrogative is, will I play games? This tense is used to express actions that will happen in the future. Next is the future continuous tense. The affirmative is, I will be playing games. The negative becomes, I will not be playing games. And the interrogative is, will I be playing games? This tense describes actions that will be in progress at a certain time in the future. Let's look at the future perfect tense. The affirmative is, I will have played games. The negative becomes, I will not have played games. And the interrogative is, will I have played games? This tense shows an action that will be completed before a specific future time or action. And finally, we have the future perfect continuous tense. The affirmative is, I will have been playing games. The negative is, I will not have been playing games. And the interrogative is, will I have been playing games? This tense is used to show actions that will have been happening for a duration of time in the future. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.